cash offer can be a lifesaver in probate, but it can also cost the estate tens of thousands of dollars if you don't know what you're looking at. Welcome back. So cash offers, they can be extremely useful in probate, and they could also be dangerous if the family does not understand the trade-off. Here's the basic idea. An investor usually buys the property as is, little or no cleanup. No traditional financing, no appraisal, a limited inspection risk, and a very fast closing. For an estate dealing with mortgage payments, insurance problems, repairs, beneficiary pressure, or just a property in rough condition, that speed and certainty can be valuable, but that speed has a price. Investors generally need to buy below market value because they're taking risk. They're funding the repairs. They have holding costs, resale costs, and of course, they need to make a profit. A typical investor is going to offer 20 to 30% below retail value, sometimes more, depending on condition. I'm happy to walk you through what most investors are going to say to you. We talk about this a good bit in our book, The Inherited Home Guide. Let us know if you'd like a copy. We're happy to mail you a copy for free. That's not a problem. If you're looking for our 19 steps, we could email or mail that to you for free as well. So this doesn't automatically mean it's a bad offer. If the estate is paying thousands per month in mortgage, utilities, insurance, HOA dues, taxes, maintenance, vacancy risk, a fast sale may actually produce a better net outcome than waiting 6 months. The mistake is accepting that first offer without comparison. Many cash buyers are actually wholesalers. They do not intend to close themselves. They're trying to tie the property up and resell the contract to another investor. It's not always bad, but it does mean the estate may not be seeing the real buyer or the highest offer. I talk about that in my book. I've seen this too many times. I'm going to give you a quick example. I saw a property that should have sold somewhere around $450,000 to $465,000. This client went ahead and just took the very first offer. They didn't want to hear what we had to say. They took just under $400,000. That buyer was wholesaling that property. He went ahead and marketed it while they're under contract. He marketed it on the wholesale market, and that property ended up selling for $472,000. That seller, that estate, walked away from over $70,000. We have investors. The open market has investors. Our team has investors. Give us a chance. Let's get more investor offers. Our job is to make you the most money in however you want it to be, as fast as possible, on market, off market, investor, whatever. We want to give you all of the options. My recommendation is simple. Before accepting an investor offer, compare it against 3 things: as is market value, repaired retail value, and of course, those true carrying costs. Then expose the opportunity to vetted investors who can actually close. At Probate Solutions Colorado, we offer families multiple investor offers to determine whether a fast cash sale is truly in the estate's best interest. Sometimes the right answer is to list publicly. Sometimes the right answer is to sell quick and just be done. The key is making that decision with real numbers, not pressure. If you've got one investor offer, let us get you a second, a third, a fourth, a fifth. Whatever you want, we are here to help. We have helped people with our investors. We have seen people getting offers of $350,000 to $375,000. Our investors came in and paid $425,000 up to $440,000 on these exact same properties. It happens month after month after month. Do we make a fee on that? Of course we do. Do the math real quick. What's 3% of $440,000? It's roughly 14. It's actually a little less than that. 340 minus 14, you are looking at about $426,000. Is that better than 375? as is, they're both as is. We could make you 30, 40, 50,000 more dollars. It will just give us a moment. If you have an investor offer on a probate property here in Colorado, don't sign anything until you understand your net. Call me, Erik Gruenwald, 720-466-3593. Visit probatesolutionscolorado.com. And as always, reach out and set an appointment. We have the Calendly link pinned below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're navigating probate right now here in Jefferson County, Colorado. Take a look at the rest of our videos, see how else we can help you, set an appointment, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.